Hey everybody, I'm Chef Tom with atbbq.com, and today we're going to talk about mushrooms and specifically how to get them clean. Classically, I've been taught that you do not rinse off your mushrooms. You brush them off with a paper towel, get any of that dirt off the surface by hand. Now this is kind of time consuming, and honestly I've learned in recent years that it's pretty much okay to rinse off your mushrooms. The thing is, you don't want to do this ahead of time, because if you let those soak in the water or even get wet, they're going to soak up that water, and then you're just going to have to deal with that during the cook time. So this is definitely a method that I would use for cooked mushrooms, not necessarily fresh ones. Now the third way I've heard of for taking any dirt and debris off the surface is to just peel them, but I don't do that because I'm not a psycho. So this is what we're talking about right here, that dirt that shows up on the outside of a mushroom, and it's totally natural. It happens all the time. Honestly, it doesn't bother me to eat a little bit of dirt as long as I don't know it's there. But once you know it's there and you want to get rid of it, this is the dry paper towel method, and it works pretty well. Done it for years. For the rinsing method, I'll just throw these into a mesh basket, a strainer. You can kind of work those around. Work them with your hands so you can get any of that debris off. But as soon as we're done with this part, we're going to dry these off. So typically I'll just put these in between a couple paper towels. Get that excess moisture off the top, and they can air dry for a few minutes until we start slicing them. Once they're dried off, I prefer to take that very end off just because it's usually a little icky. And then from there, slice, dice, whatever you're doing. I'm gonna cut these in halves. We're gonna saute up some mushrooms. A little butter. A little olive oil, throw in those mushrooms. Now you've got these around, clean mushrooms, ready to add to any dish or just as a snack. Hit them with just a little bit of this tri-tip seasoning. Tender in the middle, crispy around the edges, just how I like them. So fresh. So clean. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to check out atbbq.com for all of the products featured in today's video. If you enjoyed the video, hit that subscribe button. For more recipes, tips, and techniques, head over to atbbq.com/thesauce. All things barbecue, where barbecue legends are made.